Did you know that the human mouth is a fascinating and complex part of our anatomy? It's not just a simple opening, it's a powerhouse of functions and surprises. For starters, the average adult mouth contains about 32 teeth. These teeth are not just for chewing. They play a crucial role in speech and even the shape of our face. Speaking of teeth, let's talk about saliva. Our mouths produce about 1 to 2 liters of saliva every day. That's enough to fill a small bottle. Saliva is essential for digestion, as it contains enzymes that begin breaking down food right in the mouth. Plus, it helps keep our mouths moist and aids in swallowing. Ever wonder why your mouth waters when you think about your favorite food? That's your body getting ready to enjoy a meal. Now, let's dive into the tongue. This muscular organ is not only responsible for tasting, but also for helping us speak and swallow. The surface of the tongue is covered in tiny bumps called papillae, which house taste buds. We have about 2,000 to 8,000 taste buds, and they're not just limited to sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. Some researchers suggest there's a fifth taste called umami, which is often described as savory. Interestingly, the human mouth is home to a diverse ecosystem of bacteria. There are over 700 different species of bacteria living in our mouths. And while some can cause cavities and gum disease, many are actually beneficial. They help break down food and protect against harmful pathogens. This is why maintaining good oral hygiene is so important. It keeps the balance of bacteria in check. Let's not forget about the role of the mouth in communication. Our mouths are essential for forming words and expressing emotions. The way we move our lips and tongue can convey a wide range of feelings, from happiness to anger. In fact, studies show that nonverbal cues, like facial expressions and mouth movements, can sometimes communicate even more than words. And here's a fun fact. The mouth is also a key player in our sense of smell. While we often think of smell as being solely linked to our noses, the flavors we taste are heavily influenced by our sense of smell. When we eat, aromas travel from our mouth to our nasal cavity, enhancing our overall flavor experience. This is why food can taste bland when we have a cold and our noses are blocked. Finally, let's talk about the unique characteristics of our mouths. Just like fingerprints, everyone's mouth is different. The shape of our lips, the alignment of our teeth, and even the size of our tongues can vary greatly from person to person. This individuality adds to the rich tapestry of human diversity. So, the next time you think about your mouth, remember it's not just a simple opening for eating and speaking. It's a complex, multifunctional part of your body that plays a vital role in your overall health and communication. The human mouth is truly a marvel of nature, packed with surprises and essential functions that we often take for granted.